Rabbi, do you believe that some people are born to become gay or lesbian? Certain people are born with the inclination more than others, but to stay that way, no one's allowed to stay that way. No. They claim they don't feel comfortable in their own skin because they were born to be. That's nonsense. It's like somebody saying they were born to be a thief because they feel the need to take everything that belongs to somebody else. We are not robots. We can overcome desires. Even if somebody has a strong desire to do something, if the Torah says it's forbidden, then obviously the Torah knows that you have a strong desire, and the law was still given. Even though God knew that there's going to be certain people throughout all of the generations that will have a strong desire to act like Sodom and Gomorrah, like the generation of Noah, God still gave the law with that knowledge that he's going to create people that will have an inclination that's the opposite of his will. Why would he do that? Because there is a obligation for us to overcome our desires and follow what the Torah says, and not just treat ourselves like victims that are incapable of controlling ourselves.